Cold and flu season is in full effect, let me tell you. And we're starting to see more flu cases across the country. I had the flu last week. It's no joke.
I got my shot last week because of that.
Yeah.
Cases are increasing here in Florida as well, according to the latest data from the CDC. West 2's Paola Tristan Arruda spoke to an emergency medicine physician and tells us how to stay safe as the flu continues to spread.
After a week of traveling and spending the holidays with family and friends, flu cases are now on the rise.
Currently, it's both the season 4 influenza, but we're also seeing it after that holiday surge. I'm finding a lot of patients travel to New York or other cities across the country. They were visiting family, and now they have these upper respiratory symptoms.
The latest data from the Florida Department of Health shows an increase in the number of people getting sick, including in several counties in Central Florida, like Orange and Osceola counties. The data also shows more people with the flu are headed to emergency rooms and urgent care centers. And it's not just the flu that's a cause for concern.
So we're seeing a number of viruses in the community. We're both seeing COVID-19 as well as influenza, but many of the normal kid bugs, if you will, as well. That's rhinovirus, enterovirus, adenovirus, or even just the basic common cold.
Dr. Rajiv Ball is reminding people to wash their hands and frequently sanitize items around the house. If someone is sick, make sure to keep some distance. Getting vaccinated is also a way of preventing the flu. Current CDC data shows that only 24% of children from 6 months to 17 years old have gotten their flu shot. That number is down roughly 4% from this time last year.
I personally have my flu vaccine, and so does my wife. We both work in healthcare, but we also have small children who are in daycare that also have their vaccine too. This not only prevents them from getting influenza, or if they do get it, their likelihood of getting overly sick is going to be a lot lower.
In Orange County, Paola Tristan Arruda, West 2 News.